Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSex online sport program presented by Asma with week 7 assignments of mathematics for class 7. Chapter number 2 is quadratic expressions. I am going to discuss some important points about factorization. So first of all, you must know what is factorization. Factors of a number are numbers that divide evenly into another number. Factorization writes a number as the product of smaller numbers. For example, let's factor the number 12. 12 is equal to 6 into 2, or 3 into 4 is equal to 12, or 4 into 3 is equal to 12. You take those tables that are gone on number 12, like table of 2, table of 3, table of 4. Example, factorize x square plus 8x plus 12. Solution. Below the steps are given for your understanding. Step number 1. Factorize 12 as 12 is equal to 2 into 6, or is equal to 4 into 3, or you can write it as 3 into 4. We have to find a pair such that its product is equal to 12 and summation is equal to 8. Summation means sum. Only one such pair is possible, that is 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are the numbers. When we add up 2 and 6, then we get 8, and when we take the product of 6 and 2, then it gives the result 12. Step number 2 is break middle term in the terms of the summation of a pair of numbers such that its product is equal to C, that is 12. In above case, we will write 8 is equal to 6 plus 2. You have to split the middle number into two equal numbers, that is 6 and 2. When we add 6 and 2, then we get 8. So x square plus 6 plus 2 into x. X will multiply the terms in the bracket plus 12. X square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. Step number 3 is form pairs of terms and factors out GCD of the pairs separately. GCD means greatest common divisor. Is equal to x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. Like terms, we separate two terms and then separate another two terms. We make pair of two terms. First two terms x square plus 6x, and second two terms 2x plus 12 is equal to, we take common x from first two terms, x and x plus 6. Then we take 2 common from 2x plus 12. We get 2 common bracket x plus 6. Step number 4 is again factor out GCD of remaining sum of products. Follow factorization procedure of binomials as explained earlier. Factor out x plus 6 from sum of product is equal to x into x plus 6 plus 2 into x plus 6. You must get x plus 6 same. If you don't get x plus 6, or you don't get the same common, then your your solution is wrong. So x plus 6 combine and x plus 2 will combine. Remember it, students. Ax square plus bx plus c. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is constant. And you remember it that b will be split into two numbers. n1 and n2. n1 and n2 will be any other numbers, whatever the numbers are. First you multiply c into a, whatever the number in c and a is. Okay, c is multiplied by a, the result will be a into c, and b will be split into two numbers. This is the case for all positive terms. Case number second is when you get ax square minus bx plus c. When minus sign is assigned with minus bx, then you choose any two numbers with minus signs, minus n1 and minus n2, but their addition, but they operate with the addition. First you multiplied a into c and you split the numbers with minus signs. Third case is ax square minus bx minus c. Then you choose minus n1 and plus n2, but the sign minus bx is assigned minus, so you choose minus sign with the greater number and plus sign with the smallest number. Case number 4 is ax square plus bx minus c. Similarly, in this case b is split into two numbers, plus n1 and minus n2. Plus n1 and minus n2 are the numbers you have chosen. Plus sign is assigned with the greater number because there is plus bx, and minus sign is assigned with the smallest number. Case number 5 is when you have this situation like minus ax square plus bx plus c, then you must take common minus first from this expression. So when you take minus common from this expression, then it will change all the signs within the bracket. So minus will be changed into plus and plus will be changed into minus. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and minus into minus plus. Minus sign will remain outside the bracket, then solve the previous method same as it is. Another case is case 6, m is x square plus mbx plus mc. First you take m common from all the terms of the expression, then it remains ax square plus bx plus c. M remains outside the bracket, then solve it by previous method. Some examples. Example number 1 is ax square plus bx plus c is the general expression. We take example x square plus cx plus 2. First you multiply 2 into 1, then you split 3 into 2 numbers. You have to find the factors of 2 into 1 is equal to 2. You have to find the factors of 2. First you multiplied 2 into 1, then you have to find the factor of 2. You choose those factors whose sum is 3. 1 and 2 are the numbers whose sum is 3. So x square plus 1 plus 2 whole bracket x plus 2. X will be multiplied by 1 and x will be also be multiplied by 2. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. First two terms are pair and second two terms are pair, is equal to x will be common from first two terms and 1 will be common from second two terms. So x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2. These two terms must remain same in both terms. If there are not same terms, there are not same common terms, then your question is wrong. Your solution is wrong. So x plus, we are left with x plus 1 into x plus 2. There are two x plus 2 and x plus 2, but we write it once a time because we take it common. X plus 2 is common from x plus 1, then x plus 1 is left. You can also see on the right side, n1 and n2 are the two numbers. We have to choose two numbers whose result is 3, and we have to product two numbers whose result is 2.